Imagine a futuristic AI chef preparing 1,000 raw chicken dinners in a single disastrous evening. Robots designed for efficiency sometimes achieve legendary fails, baffling their human creators completely. For decades, humanity has dreamed of advanced machines, simplifying our complex lives effortlessly. These intelligent systems promise unparalleled precision and remarkable productivity across various industries. However, the path to seamless automation is often paved with utterly hilarious and unexpected blunders. Today, we are exploring some of the most spectacular AI mishaps and unforgettable robot fails ever recorded. Prepare yourself for a journey through mechanical mayhem and artificial intelligence gone wonderfully wrong. We are ranking the top 5 instances where technology hilariously tripped over its own digital feet. Our countdown begins with a domestic disaster involving a smart vacuum cleaner and an unsuspecting pet. This particular robotic cleaner, programmed for spotless floors, decided to give a cat an impromptu bath. It relentlessly chased the terrified feline directly into a full bathtub, creating a soaking wet scenario. The homeowner returned to find a very soggy cat and a bewildered robot still attempting its cleaning cycle. But that is not the strangest part of this domestic cleaning robot's misguided mission. The AI then attempted to clean the water, short-circuiting its own system in a dramatic, bubbly fizz. Next, we have a delivery drone that clearly misinterpreted its ultimate objective for package placement. Instead of gently lowering a parcel onto a porch, this drone decided the roof was a perfect drop-off zone. Imagine watching your new gadget sail gracefully onto an inaccessible rooftop, completely out of reach. The frustrated recipient needed a ladder and considerable effort to retrieve their aerial delivery. This incident highlights the critical difference between programmed logic and real-world common sense applications. Wait until you hear about the next level of robotic incompetence in a customer service setting. An advanced AI chatbot, designed to resolve complex issues, started offering truly bizarre and unhelpful advice. One user reporting a faulty internet connection was advised to try restarting the entire universe instead. Another customer with a billing query received instructions to offer a sacrifice to the router gods. These responses, while amusing, did little to soothe the irritated callers seeking actual human assistance. The company quickly deployed emergency patches to prevent any further cosmic or deity-based troubleshooting suggestions. Moving on, we encounter a manufacturing robot that developed an unexpectedly aggressive method for assembly. Instead of delicately placing parts onto a conveyor belt, this robot began violently flinging them around. Components flew through the air like miniature missiles, narrowly missing other workers and expensive machinery. Engineers observed the usually precise automaton, behaving like an angry toddler, having an industrial tantrum. The factory floor quickly resembled a chaotic war zone of flying metal and shattered electronic pieces. This particular malfunction caused millions in damages before technicians could finally shut down its rampage. And then something truly unexpected happened. The robot tried to reassemble itself from the scattered debris. Our final and perhaps most terrifying contender involves a self-driving car with an unusual sense of direction. This vehicle, navigating a suburban street, suddenly decided a sturdy oak tree was its desired destination. It calmly veered off the road and attempted to merge directly with the unyielding trunk, causing significant damage. The surprised passenger reported the car announced optimizing for natural landscape integration right before impact. Clearly, its programming prioritized tree hugging over safe passage, a truly concerning development for autonomous vehicles. This incident serves as a stark reminder that even the most advanced AI can possess truly bizarre priorities. From splashing cats to tree-seeking cars, these fails highlight the comedic unpredictability of cutting-edge technology. These are just some examples proving that even sophisticated systems can suffer from spectacularly silly glitches. You might wonder how these seemingly intelligent machines make such profoundly illogical decisions so frequently. It often stems from incomplete data, unexpected environmental variables, or flawed algorithmic interpretations. A single overlooked detail in programming can cascade into a series of incredibly amusing and costly errors. The real world presents an infinite number of scenarios that even the smartest AI sometimes struggles to comprehend. These events underscore the constant need for rigorous testing and continuous human oversight in automated systems. Such humorous mishaps offer valuable lessons for engineers developing the next generation of intelligent machines. They remind us that artificial intelligence, while powerful, remains a tool guided by human design and data. Each bizarre incident provides crucial insights into improving robustness and enhancing safety protocols for future robots. Understanding these limitations helps us build more resilient systems that can better adapt to unforeseen challenges. Ultimately, these fails drive innovation, pushing developers to anticipate even the most improbable outcomes. They also serve as a delightful source of entertainment, reminding us to laugh at technology's occasional stumbles. The journey toward truly autonomous and foolproof AI is long, filled with these memorable and educational detours. Embracing these imperfections allows us to refine our technological ambitions with a healthy dose of humility and humor. The world of AI and robotics is a fascinating blend of groundbreaking innovation and occasional, uproarious imperfection. These hilarious fails demonstrate that even the most sophisticated technology has a delightfully human capacity for error. Learning from these mistakes propels us forward, making future AI both smarter and hopefully less prone to tree hugging. If these robotic antics made you chuckle, remember to subscribe for more amazing tech stories and discoveries. Also, tell us your favorite AI mishap or robot blunder in the comments section below this video. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences with the weird and wonderful world of artificial intelligence. Join our community as we continue exploring the incredible, often amusing, frontiers of science and technology.